After spending hours on Instagram and multiple beauty bloggers raving about facial rollers, I have decided to go with two facial rollers. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So after doing a lot of research, being skeptical and finally putting these products to test, I have finally decided and completely on board of having these two facial rollers for my skincare routine. Yes, I am talking about the much talked about Jade roller and ice roller. So let's go. What are the benefits? What exactly are they and how you can use them? Well, my belief is before spending a bomb in your makeup, you should definitely spend some money in your skincare and self-care. Alright, without further rambling, let's get on to the video. But before that, you know the drill, right? Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to hit that bell button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So the first product that I'm going to feature or talk about today is the most talked about Jade roller. Now what exactly is a Jade roller? It is basically a facial massaging tool that is made out of semi-precious stone called jade. This natural stone is made out of ornamental minerals that has the amazing capabilities of detoxifying the lymphatic system. It is very cool to touch, so every time your face touches it, you feel very soothing and very cool. It has natural healing abilities. Coming to the Jade roller's benefits is it will definitely help in reducing the puffiness of your skin. It will reduce the puffiness or the under eye bags. On a continual usage, you will definitely see that it will reduce your fine lines and wrinkles besides your eyes and on your forehead. By using this regularly, you will definitely see that you will have a very flushed and awakened and plump look. Basically, your blood circulation on the lymphatic system increases, which definitely gives you that that plumpy, rejuvenated look. Let's get to how do you use your Jade roller. So I personally use my Jade roller with my favorite serum. I will also add it up with some essential oil and then dab it on my skin and then start rolling it. And of course, for the under eyes, I first put some under eye cream or under eye serum and then definitely start rolling it. Let's get on to the step-by-step usage of how to use the Jade roller. Step 1 is prepping your skin, which is basically putting some kind of lubricant, that is your moisturizer or your facial oil, so that it doesn't tug your skin when you are rolling the Jade roller. Step 2 is collarbone and neck area. Use the larger side of the Jade roller and take it upwards from your collarbone towards your neck or face. Repeat this for 5 to 10 times before moving it to the other side. Step 3 is cheeks and jaws. Now use the large side of your Jade roller again and then on your chin apply medium pressure and then move it towards the outer side of your face. Repeat this 5 to 6 times each side and move it to the other side. Step 5 is under eyes. Using the smaller side of your Jade roller, apply medium pressure and take it from the inner corner of your eye to the outer corner of your eyes. Repeat 10 to 15 times and then switch the eye. Step 6, brows. Use the smaller side again and place it in between the brows and then roll it outside the brows. Repeat 5 to 10 times each side and then take it to the other brow. Step 7, jaws. Take the smaller end and then roll it over the jawline bone and run it outwards. You can use rapid rolling for the places you feel that are more tight. Now it all might seem like you have to spend way too much time, you do not have that much of patience or energy. But trust me guys, it will just take 2 to 4 minutes on a daily basis to incorporate Jade roller in your skincare routine. It's definitely is a must-have in your skincare regime to make you feel less puffed up, make you feel more plumped and rejuvenated. And the next step is the most important step when it comes to Jade Roller, which is basically after every use, do not forget to wash it thoroughly with a warm, runny, soapy water and then wipe it properly and then keep it back. Do not forget that this thing is touching your face every day, so it has to be cleaned after every use. Now, moving on to our next facial roller or roller for the day is the ice roller. Now, before I talk about ice roller, I just want to mention that this is under 500 rupees. I got it from Amazon and oh my god, this is a game changer. I feel that every household should have a ice roller for multiple usage and benefits that it caters to. Remember that every time we have a pain in a place or we have redness or itchiness in a place, we just take out pack of ice from our freezer. This stuff does the same thing. It is basically gel based. You need to freeze it in your freezer for 4 to 6 hours or maybe overnight before using it, and that's it. That's the only maintenance it requires. Benefits of having an ice roller is it helps in reducing the puffiness and swelling overall and helps in skin tightening. You can club it with some aloe vera gel and use it to reduce the dark circles. If you have pain in any of your body area, you can use it there as well. So basically, you can use it for your face, neck, body, etc. After waxing and threading, you can use this in the areas which are affected, like with itchiness and redness, and it will give you an instant relief. Post sunburn, you can use this to relax your skin. This can be used as a muscle relaxer. You can use this pre-makeup, minimizing pores. This is a perfect solution for your irritated skin. You can use this maybe twice a day for 5 to 10 minutes or as per your needs. Do not forget to wash your ice roller after every usage and keep this away from like heating and stuff like that, because it is made out of gels inside and that will kind of spoil your product. So, if you have to categorize these two facial rollers or rollers in your skincare routine, I would say this is more of a skincare and it gives you that luxury feel to it, and this is more of a necessity in your household, which is definitely great for your headache, for instant relaxing and stuff like that. So, if you have to invest in either of the product, it honestly depends on what your priority is, but I kind of invested in both of them at the very beginning, and I've been enjoying using them because none of them are very expensive. They are like under 1000 and this one is like under 500. So make your own choice. Do let me know in the comment section below which one is your favorite product or in which product you have invested first. Hope you enjoyed this pre-Diwali skincare video. Enjoy this Diwali with your family, with your friends. Be safe. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you soon for my next one. Bye bye. Take care.